Have you ever dreamt of vaporizing your maths teacher? Well, guess what? Percy Jackson did it. Hey guys, welcome back to Books Gossip. I'm Mansi back again with a new book review. And today, I'm going to review the Percy Jackson and the Olympian series. The whole series is written by Rick Riordan. The series consists of 5 different books. They are named as Percy Jackson and the Lightning Thief, Sea of Monsters, The Titan's Curse, The Battle of Labyrinth, and finally, The Last Olympian. Well, in this video, I am going to review only the first book, and in the following videos, I'll review all the other parts of the series. So, the story begins with Percy living his normal day, normal life at school, and bam, he vaporized his maths teacher. And soon after that, he gets to know that he is a demigod, a half-blood, basically half human and half god. And now because of this new revelation, he cannot study in his regular school. So he's going to half-blood camp. Over there, he's going to learn, he's going to be trained to fight and win battles, to go on quest. And over here, he is doing all this stuff. Then suddenly, he has been blamed that he has stolen the lightning bolt of Zeus. Well, Zeus is one of the important gods in the Olympus, and Percy is blamed that he has stolen the lightning bolt of Zeus, and if he does not return it as soon as possible, then Zeus is all set for war, and that is going to be dangerous. Well, the story is based on Greek mythology, and after reading the first book, I got to know that the first 2 parts have been converted into movie, and मुझे तो review करना है, so I had to watch them, and turns out that was not a good decision. You know, movie ऐसी थी as if किसी ने डायरेक्टर को स्टोरी बता दी है पूरी की पूरी, एंड उसके बाद थोड़े टाइम बाद डायरेक्टर को जो थोड़ा बहुत याद रहा ना, उसके बेसिस पे उसने वो मूवी बना दी. उसमें पर्सी की लाइफ के बारे में कुछ इंक्लूडेड नहीं था. देयर वाज नो मेंशन ऑफ सर्टेन इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग्स दैट वर इन द बुक. लाइक मूवी इनकम्प्लीट सी फील हो रही थी. इट्स डेफिनेटली नॉट वर्थ इट. सो इफ यू आर प्लानिंग ऑन टू वॉचिंग द मूवी, डोंट डू इट. इट्स नॉट गोइंग टू टर्न आउट गुड. एंड इफ आप बुक पढ़ चुके और फिर आप सोच रहे कि कंपेरिजन के लिए मूवी देख लूँ, मैंने देखी ना, मैं रिव्यू दे रही हूँ, मत देखो. Coming back to the book, so the book is nothing but amazing. How well the Percy Jackson world had been shown, the battles, the scenarios, how, they all displayed their power, and the whole thing, Olympus gods, it was so amazing. The book is filled with twists and turns, and not even at a single point I felt as if the book was going boring. No, I just loved reading this book. And I think you will love reading it too. Well, I got this suggestion that I like Harry Potter, I loved reading Harry Potter, so I should definitely try reading Percy Jackson, and on basis of that suggestion, I bought this series. And though I am a Harry Potter fan, trust me, Percy Jackson is better than Harry Potter. And I have reasons why it is better. Because in Harry Potter, the whole story revolves around him. Harry के बिना कुछ हो ही नहीं सकता. Harry is doing everything. आसपास वाले सब supporting characters. But in Percy Jackson, each and every character had an important role to play. And if अगर वो लोग नहीं होते, they are not playing their role, तो Percy अकेले कुछ नहीं कर सकता है. So each and every person over there was playing an important role. It was not just all about Percy Jackson, and that is why I think that this series is better than Harry Potter. Overall, this series is highly recommended from my side. And if you are someone who loved reading Harry Potter or is, interested in knowing about different worlds, different culture, fantasy, young adult fiction, then Percy Jackson and the Olympians is the series for you. Last week, I did a Hindi review. I read my first Hindi book and I did a review on that. The link is there in the description for that also. I would really be grateful if you guys could, go over there and check it out and share your views as to if you are liking me doing Hindi reviews or not. Alright guys, that's all for today. I hope this review was entertaining as well as helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Books Gossip. Press the bell icon so that you won't miss any of my videos. You could also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram username is here on the screen, and as well as the link is in the description below. Don't forget, I come up with new videos on every Mondays. Until then, keep reading. Bye!